Hi, my name is Tito, Sofesa Certified Master Technician. Today we will be replacing a high limit. So to diagnose the high limit switch, what we'll need to do is unmount it, removing the knob, your two mounting screws for your bracket, and this will be your high limit switch. You'll have two screws that hold it in place onto the bracket. Once you remove that, your high limit will be free and we can diagnose. At this point, you'll want to check for continuity between the two lugs that are holding your wires in place. If the high limit is not tripped, you should have continuity here. If it has tripped, you should not have continuity. You'll want to take note of where your wires are mounted on your high limit switch. In this case, your normally closed has your blue, your common has your brown, and you have your open line right here with no wires. After you've removed your wires, you can go up and unmount your burner. This will allow easier access to your stuffing box capillary. The burner is not extremely hot to touch. And at this point, you'll have access to your capillary and your stuffing box right over here. At this point, we'll want to unmount your temperature sensing bulb, loosening your hardware from the mounting bracket. At this point, we will loosen your stuffing box to get access to the temperature sensing bulb. Once it's unmounted, you can run your capillary tube down and through the hole. At this point, we will reconnect wiring back to its original position on the high limit switch. Then we are going to remount the high limit switch onto the mounting bracket. Get this nice and snug, and then remount your knob. To remount the high limit, what you'll do is run your capillary through the threaded hole, back up the fryer tube, and thread this in place, hand tight to make sure you still have some slack in case you need it up top. After running your capillary tube through the stuffing box hole, what you'll want to do is remount your temperature sensing bulb, giving a nice bend to your capillary, but also ensuring you don't kink it or allow it to touch the sidewalls over here on your heat exchanger. Once you've mounted your bulbs, you want to make sure to replace any and or fryer baskets.